we are going to test one of Magic Bell's toolkits today. Sendgrid test is the one we're going to look at. So I'm going to visit magicbell.com test and then click on Sendgrid test. I'm going to be presented with a configuration. You can use an upload JSON if you have one available. Otherwise, you can fill in the individual fields manually. At the bottom of this page, then you'll also see a response. So once you can set it up and press send notification, you will see the response straight away, along with the email being triggered from Sendgrid. So I'm going to go ahead and do this manually. So to start with, you need to have your Sendgrid API key. If you do not have one, you can log into your Sendgrid account and create one for yourself, which is what I did for this. I'm going to use one of Magic Bell's email addresses. So this is the send from email address that you want to send it from. The name of the person that you are sending it from, I'm just going to put in Magic Bell for this. The reply to address, I'm going to use the same one, and again to Magic Bell as a reply to name. Then this is for the email address that you are going to send it to. I'm going to send it to myself just as a test for today, and my own name. I am then going to hit send notification, and you're going to see that response straight away as a success, and then you're going to be able to see the payload that was triggered. And I have also just received a ping on my email to say that I have received this email. Simple as that. So